G'day folks, Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Wednesday the 31st of October. Well, thin conditions prevailed really again today, given that New York's still out. But the European markets all drifted slightly higher after a slightly improved Spanish GDP number and a successful Italian bond auction. So that underpinned equity markets in Europe and also underpinned the euro. And that's drifted slightly higher, albeit in pretty thin conditions. So we've got the euro this morning, it's at 129.60. Dollar yen, that gyrated around a little bit after the BOJ easing yesterday. Spiked up to 80.12 and then back down to 79.25. But now we're pretty much unchanged on yesterday's levels at this time, 79.60. Cable's at 160.70 and dollar Swiss is at 93.25. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they're both slightly better bid this morning, really on the back of what happened in Europe. We've got the Aussie at 103.65 and the Kiwi's just above 82, the figure. New York should be back today, although in what capacity remains to be seen. And it's month end, so I don't expect an awful lot. I think we're going to probably have another range bound session, and the euros like to stay 129, 130, I think, and more domestically, the Aussies, it looks like 103, 104 with one eye tomorrow on the official PMI data. So I don't think we're going to see an awful lot before then. Today out of Europe, there's a little bit of data. We've got the EU CPI and unemployment and the German retail sales. But for the moment, that's really about all there is to report. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all there is for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.